This is a 2018 Mini Cooper. She's petrol, she's automatic. Let me show you around. She's in a colour called ice blue. No stone chips around the front. Pretty black alloy wheels. She has clear indicator lenses, black wing mirror covers to match the roof, chrome door handles. And that's the rear alloy wheel. Coming around the back, you'll see she has got parking sensors. She's a Cooper, as I said. I'll pop you down here, you can see again parking sensor. That's the rear tyre. Clean lines all the way down the side. Show you the roof, that's all good. Let's step inside and I can show you. So those are the back seats. No rips, marks, tears, etc. on those. This is the front passenger seat. Again, looking good. That is the centre armrest, optional extra. And this is the front driver's seat. Again, no rips, tears or anything. I'm just going to step in and show you she is a one key car. That's the key. Let me show you over here. Glove box with her, let me just get it out. Her book pack. It's all present and correct. Let me just start her up. So let's go back to her home screen so you can see she does have navigation. Those are her settings, vehicle info, contacts, mini connected. That's her telephone, multimedia and her radio. I missed one over here. Mini connected and vehicle info, there you go. As we come down, I'll just put it on the map so you can see it's all working. As we come down, you've got all of her heating controls, etc. And here you've got the additional controls, including her aircon. She has got heated seats in the front. I'll just pop you down here. You can see there is her aux and a USB. As I said, she is an automatic. She has got the multifunction steering wheel, which this side includes. This side includes the cruise control. And that's all your controls for your stereo and your Bluetooth, etc. because she has got Bluetooth as well. Coming up here, you can see she has done 28,401 miles. This red light here is just because I've got the handbrake on. She has also got the anthracite roof lining, which is an optional extra. And door cards, etc. are all in good condition. She is the stop start, so that just turns her off, and then that one just turns her, oh, that's because I've got my foot on the brake. That one turns her off completely. I'll just step out and I can show you the rest. Coming around the front, that's the last remaining alloy wheel. And that is her from the side. So there you have her. She is a 2018 Mini Cooper in ice blue. Don't see very many of them in the ice blue colour. I'm not sure if it was a special order or not. If you'd like to see more details, she'll be on our website, which is mrsmini.co.uk. And if you'd like to see her in the flesh, do call me. I'll be on my mobile 07540 29 22 22. And thanks for watching.